Attention to breaking updates coming in of canopies crashing at Delhi as well as in Jabalpur airports. There are two separate airports that have the very same story. Cars bearing the brunt, being crushed by the roof completely because of the heavy rains in the Delhi NCR region. The visuals are on your screens. 4 people have also been injured. This was the parking canopy that collapsed. So roof collapsing at the Terminal 1 of the Delhi airport. The visuals are on your screens. 4 people have been injured and a vehicle has been completely mangled in this roof collapse. My colleague Akanksha is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Akanksha, rains have brought some respite from the heat, but it doesn't look like the infrastructure was ready to bear it. We've seen 2 separate incidents, one in Delhi and one in Jabalpur. Akanksha?
Well, absolutely. See, 2 incidents in 2 different places, one in the national capital and another in Jabalpur. But the fact remains is that at both the places, the airport roof has collapsed. As far as Delhi is concerned, this incident happened at 5:30 in the morning. The Delhi Fire Service received a call regarding a roof collapse at Terminal 1 of the Delhi airport, and 3 fire engines were rushed to the spot. Now, it remains to be seen if anything has happened there, but so far there has been no report of any casualty. But as far as Jabalpur is concerned, yesterday similar incident took place there. A metal set collapsed and fell over a parked car, but fortunately both the passenger as well as the driver inside the car exit just moments before the incident occurred. So definitely some respite from the heat wave, but we see the infrastructure crumbling now.
Okay, all right, Akanksha, any update on the injuries and what is the condition of the airport now? Because that could turn out to be a problem for the commuters, those who are going to be visiting the airport. What's the update?
Well, as far as Delhi airport is concerned, we in a witness of see that the roof has collapsed and the 2 cars under it have been in fact, more than the cars which have been crushed by the pole there, which is there. But it remains to be seen whether there was any casualty or not. But so far, Delhi Fire Service has not reported of any casualty. And similar case was there in Jabalpur yesterday. The roof collapsed on the car, but the driver as well as the passenger who was sitting there, they actually came out alive. And it remains to be seen now. If any casualty is reported at Delhi airport.
Okay, all right, Akanksha, thank you for joining us with those details. The visuals are on your screens in Delhi airport as well as Jabalpur airport. In Delhi airport, there were several cars that were affected because of the roof collapsing. This is in Terminal 1 of the Delhi airport. Upon receiving the information, fire tenders had rushed to the spot, clearing out the debris completely. The incident occurred when Delhi NCR was hit by a spell of heavy rains. We have reactions coming in. Listen in.
नहीं, मुझे इसकी जानकारी अभी नहीं है. मैं सुबह से लगातार बैठक में ही हूँ, लेकिन इसकी जानकारी भी लेते हैं और कोई ऐसी स्थिति बनी है तो दोबारा उसकी पुनरावृत्ति ना हो, एयरपोर्ट प्रशासन के साथ उसको लेकर भी बातचीत होगी.